I give these examples to all the people. If these models are not available, I can build such models for you, which can be a separate application just for you, depending on what you're wanting out of AI.
Hello, Vietnamese manufacturing fans. Today we're talking to Sunil from India. And Sunil, briefly introduce yourself in the context of AI.
Hi friends, I'm Sunil Arora. I was a professor with NIFT, then with FIT New York, and then with London and Paris Schools of Fashion. So done a lot of work on the education side of things, almost like 7-8 years. But besides that, I've been involved with the fashion industry in terms of solution providing on technology and consulting on high-end technology adoption to make them more efficient and growth ready. So that's what I do. I've been doing that for the last 40 years with more than 1,000 clients globally in almost like 50-55 countries.
What about like marketplace, specifically sourcing, right? Which is what I specialize in, helping brands or fashion designers to find factories in Vietnam. And have you heard of any AI apps or AI technology that helps brands and fashion designers connect with, say, factories in India?
Yes, there are several such platforms have come. I do not want to promote one or de-promote another. There are several such platforms available. We can people can connect with me and I can give them the right suggestion depending on their expectations and demands. So I can suggest on that. But what they are doing is they are allowing a complete transparent supply chain scenarios where the buyers can easily find the right kind of vendors depending on the capacities and capabilities they have, and depending on the past experiences with other buyers, they can easily see what they have given, delivered, and you can easily select what capabilities they have rather than seeing their website. If you can analyze that in a real detail about their previous experiences, which are never there on the websites. On the websites, it's a profile which is written in the best good form of the word, that you have 10 factories and you have this capacities and that. No, it's much better that a data which validates that. It's much better that a buyer which validates that, and you have that data available and AI allows you that. So look at the kind of how fast those decisions of selecting the right partners becomes through AI. So this is an example of that. So I give these examples to all the people. If these models are not available, I can build such models for you, which can be a separate application just for you, depending on what you're wanting out of AI.